This is second grade's end of the year party they have in the carnival. And these are the kids and the different stations. They have tickets and they get to do the activities. So Clemencia's getting ready to do the station with the hula hoops. I have no idea what they have to do. I think it might be like a cakewalk. She's in the blue. Let's see what they have. She's having a good time.
Somebody else, but if you drop the ball or you miss the ball, you're out. You have to put it inside between two people, otherwise you're out, okay? You have to go with somebody. Ready? All right, Caleb, start off.
Wow, so you get the idea. I'm logging off. Oh.